Okay, so again, I saw the anomaly here at 9:45 p.m. Eastern time. I took a long trade here and another long trade here, and Nasdaq went to the moon. This is the moon. This is the moon, guys. Okay. So one possible option is to identify high time frame fair value gap with our multi-time frame FVG indicator, where the optimization setting is enabled. Like here, optimize with trigger points. It means that it calculates fair value gap across multiple time frame, but only leave the ones who align with our trigger points. Because otherwise, if you do not check the optimization setting, and it analyzes multiple time frame fair value gaps, you'll see many fair value gaps on the chart. And ICT traders, they look at a certain time frame, but they might miss another time frame opportunities. So if an ICT trader wants to look for all the opportunities, it has to look at multiple time frames, but then look how many time frames there are, how many fair value gap across multiple time frames. It's very confusing. So we invented this functionality where we analyze multiple time frame, but we optimize it, leaving the ones that align with our trigger points. This is our invention. Okay, so multi-time frame fair value gap, when aligned with our trigger points, it leaves you, it's capable of identifying anomalies similar to the way I analyzed and I identified, and it went to the moon. Guys, this is the opportunities you need to take and to look for. And on ES, similar. Double fair value gaps, 60 and 15 minutes. It bounced off at the same time where NQ created its anomalies, and it was a beautiful opportunity. Now I want to show you the super CTP indicator. The super CTP indicator also creates CTP signals for you. Here, the beautiful arrows that you see here are the CTP signals, and you see in this case that the signal was created here, and the opportunities came a few minutes later. So the signals, most of them do not lag. And let's look at the signals created yesterday by the super CTP. You saw this is a short signal. It bounced a little, then it broke. Okay. Another short signal, long signal. And this is the signal I took here at the low of the day. Another beautiful long signals here, short signal. This was a wrong signal. Of course, there's never 100%.
If you take a look at the wrong signal, it just turned the opposite. So it came back, retest.
Exactly.
Could get out with 0.
Exactly.
And it turned to the other way.
Exactly.
So many times.
Exactly. So you see beautiful signals created by the super CTP, and the wrong ones highlighted levels that when the signal did not work, the market tends to get back to the same level and give you the opposite direction. This is the beauty of this indicator. Like here in this example, you see you got short signal here, you got stopped out. This was a wrong signal, you see. NQ went through this, but then beautiful short signals here, but then look, NQ got back to the same level where you get the wrong signal beforehand, providing you with the opposite direction. So the super CTP indicator creates beautiful signals, true signals, and the wrong ones are created on levels that when the market breaks, it tests the same level, providing you with the opposite opportunity. You saw, guys? And the signals do not lag. This is the beauty of this indicator. Most of them do not lag. Another short signal. And okay, didn't fit here. It's okay. Another short signal here. I think this level wasn't here at this point, so we don't count it. And that's it. Not necessarily, Tony. No, not necessarily. Not only with RTY. You can align it with all the four, or you can align it with RTY, and then you can filter out the signals by looking at correlated asset. This is another option. Another option is to align it with one instrument, let's say the strongest one, like RTY, that we know RTY is a very strong instrument. And once you get a signal, when you only align it with RTY, you can look, verify that there's no disagreement with the other instruments. Yeah, this is one technique. You can use it. Okay, so this was yesterday analysis, guys. I hope you learned from today's session. Now we're getting trying to find trade opportunities. Tomankos, you can join me if you want to share also your trades. Have you taken trades today or not yet?
Yeah. While you were talking, I took many trades. If you take a look at gold, there's a beautiful CTP signal 2 hours before the open.
Oh,
And
okay.
that was very nice. So I was trying to play around the trigger point line.